Hello, my loves. It's Kasha Plannerista 101. Today we're going to be planning in my catch-all planner, which is Moody Florals. It is for the week of April 19th through the 25th, and I'm going to be using stickers from Crafty Planner Queen. If this is your first time joining me, welcome. I'm so glad you found me. If you have been here before, welcome back. I'm so glad you're here to spend another spread with me. Okay. So Crafty Planner Queen has this club that she gives us printable stickers on every Tuesday. If you have never heard of it, check it out. These stickers every Tuesdays are so lovely, and I'm super excited about them. So this one is called Girls Trip, and I am not going on Girls Trip or anything like that, but I am using these stickers as like school starts and college starts, and I am already like dreading the end of summer, even though summer doesn't really affect me, but yeah. So that's what's going on in my head when I'm creating this. Okay, and I do my little checklist, but I only use the circles from the checklist stencil. Let me know if you guys use circles, lines, both. Like, what is your jam? Because this is mine. And let me know why too. So for me, the circles allow me to put like a second line if I need to underneath. Like, let's say I will put, I don't know, like grocery shopping, right? That's one line, and then I can put the store underneath. So whether it's Jewel or my local Woodman's, which is employee owned. So whatever it might be. Okay. So let's place this sticker right here. I want to see how she fits. Oh my gosh, she is adorable. I am like in love with her hat. And we're going to use Mojo Jojo Plans as always for boxes. This time I'm using black ones, and that's because I want to make sure that this color in the sticker stands out, because if I use color, I think it's going to kind of overtake and overwhelm. So this is what I'm doing so far. I'm going to add a box to each day as always. I'm also going to add smaller boxes through Monday through Thursday to keep my schedule. So I'm going to do that in just a second. Here we go. Okay, so that's working. And now the smaller ones, I just need to find them. I love these teeny weeny boxes. As you guys can tell, this book is so loved. It doesn't have that many stickers left in here, which is a good thing, right? It means I'm using my stickers. So if you guys have any requests of me creating any spreads, let me know. I would love to see what you guys want to see. Leave me a comment down below, and I'll do my best to fulfill some requests. So I do purchase images on Etsy, so usually your imagination will be your limit, right? So let me know pretty much anything, anywhere. Catch flights, not feelings. Well, actually catch both, right? I like catching feelings. Okay, I'm gonna add this little bag with all of these little things in here. I like that. And then I'm gonna add all of these trinkets throughout, like the suitcase and all of these things to kind of fill up the page. Let's go, girls! So cute. Okay, the passports, the hiking boots. Is it hiking boots? I'm not a hiker, so I don't know. Camera. So the nice thing about all of the printable stickers is that you can size them to what you need, and then that's such a nice perk. And then you can print them again and again, right? You're not limited to one spread. If you wanted to use this again for like a memory keeping, you absolutely could. That is truly the perk of all of these. Okay, I'm gonna add the suitcase right there, like a carry-on. Okay, not too many stickers left in here. So let's see. I'm gonna put these things in here so I remember what they are. So this is called Girls Trip by Crafty Planner Queen, like I said. And then I'm gonna add that. I think that looks good. These colors are so like calming and pale and beautiful. Okay, I will see when I'm filling out the spread if I want to add florals or anything like that to fill it up even more. I'm not sure right now. I probably will because like I told you guys, I do prefer my spreads extremely full. So we shall see how that looks. But for right now, I think I need to add some washi or something to add a pop. So I'm checking which washi tapes I have to see if any of them have a traveling theme, which I could get like a couple things still in here. But so far, no luck. So that's what I'm doing. I have like a stack of 3 containers with 3 drawers each with all of these washi tapes sitting on top of my desk. So that's what I'm doing. Kind of trying to figure out what I have in there. Okay. How about these Live Love Posh ones? Maybe I can do something there. Let's see. And again, I don't want too much color in here. So what I'm gonna do is grab these skinny ones, which I truly love, and then see if I can add some kind of embellishment here. You guys, sometimes these are so hard to open, and especially because I have long nails, so sometimes I don't even feel the edge. So here we go. Let me try to open it. Did I get it? Yeah. Okay. What if I put them inside of the boxes and made these boxes like a little bit more feminine? Let's see. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like making my boxes just slightly different. Oh yeah, I think that's working. What do you guys think? I love a good polka dot, but I also love a good touch inside of the boxes. I did this a while back when I did a wild style, and I really did like that too. So let's see. Yeah, let's just keep it in a box. And I have 2 more because now I can't leave those out. And I think that will be it as far as the spread goes. And like I said, once I'm filling it out, I might be adding florals or something. I'm not sure yet. I usually do have florals in my spreads. So I shall see what I do with it. How about I add those polka dots on the top of the page too, like underneath the dates? See if that would be a good look. Because I am not sure, but I think it might be. Let's see. I think that's good. I think I like the way this looks. So let's go ahead and run this on the other side as well. Let's do that. And yes, I'm covering the camera a little bit, but it's okay. Okay, so that is it. I'm going to pop this back in. Thanks for staying with me through this whole spread. And I hope you guys have a great week ahead. See you soon. Bye.